This is Electric Universe Eyes, and today I'm gonna play with my new arc welder for the very first time. I've never used one of these things before, so wish me luck. I've got it plugged into my Variac, and then it came with a little mask, a really cheap welder's mask, but I'm also gonna use my UV goggles underneath that, just in case, because I don't wanna look at that and get arcs in my eyes. It'd be bad. Anyway, I've got these two guys, my electrodes set up. This is the anode. Let's double check here. Positive. Yep, this is gonna be the anode. This is gonna be the cathode. So this is usually where you would put your welding stick in, and that metal melts into the other metal when you apply the current through it. But in my case, I'm gonna try this with this piece of sandstone. It's actually a piece that I've had a long time. I really like it. Look at the other side. I don't know exactly how that was formed, but it looks like there was a bunch of rocks or shells inside, but it can't be, because how in the heck would that thing come out with those shapes that are in there? So anyway, I think that was actually vitrified. So anyway, I'm gonna try this side and see what happens the very first time I try this arc welder. So this is gonna be 120 volts AC coming into this at 60 hertz. And the output is converting inside of this unit to DC at 60 amps. So I can go all the way up to 160 amps if I was plugged into a 230 volt outlet. But I'm gonna be using 120, with this little plug here. If I get brave one day, I'll plug it into where my washer and dryer is. We'll see. So let's try it out. Mask, it's really cheap. It was just all one single layer of plastic that you fold in and it pins together like this. And it has this little cheap handle and this glass here, which we'll see how well it works. So this is what it will look like when I'm looking down at the piece. Okay guys, let's see what happens with no water on sandstone. Oh, what? Oh, it turned off by itself. Okay, well that didn't work, so geez, I'm gonna try to spray it with some water. There, now let's try that out. Are you ready? Scary. How does this stupid thing work, man? I'm gonna turn it off. So, maybe, obviously, it's not the voltage I was dealing with. It's a higher amperage, which means there's going to be a buildup probably over a much shorter distance. That's why you got to touch metal to metal, right? Okay, so let's try to put these two dudes relatively close together like that and see, can we get an arc? Can we get an arc? That would be cool. I'll take an arc. Okay, let's try this again. What the heck was that? I'm more scared of this than anything. Well. All right, so I got these really awesome electrician's gloves. They'll take like up to 900 degrees heat too, so we'll see how that works out. I guess I'm gonna be kind of dangerous here and I guess try to see if I can weld these two pieces together. Something like that, yeah? Does that sound like fun? Shoot, it sounds dangerous as hell to me. I'm gonna just touch those together first because I don't even know what this stuff is gonna do, man. I'm scared. All right, here we go. I don't know what's going on. Woo! There we go. You see that? Woo! It's sparking. That's what. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, it's stuck together. Look at that. It was stuck. Whoa! It doesn't even want to come off. Once it grabs, holy crap, dude. That's freaking scary. Look at that. Once it touches, it's over. That's why, oh man, that's why electricity is freaking bad. That's how it kills you, because it doesn't let go. Wow. That's insane. No. Woo! Scary. Okay, off. Crazy. All right, so that's where it took place over the rock, that dark spot. But what the crazy part is look at this. How many people are welders and are like, yeah, bro, that's what happens when you do arc welding. It's okay, you can laugh. I've never got to do welding before, so this is new to me. Come on, I can't get anything good right there. There you go. Do you see all the spirals? All right, that was cool. But dang, look, I'm messing that up. I still haven't done part 3 yet. But you know, hey, now you'll know why the baking soda got messed up. Anyway, look, I got this piece of cedar plank. I want to try how fast will this make a Lichtenberg figure, or will it, or what's going to go on with that? You want to find out what happens?
Yeah.
Let's try it out. Let's put this on here, and we'll just connect. Make sure all my power is off. We're going to first, let's spray this old daddy. Just shook off the excess water, and let's go ahead and connect this guy like this. Oh yeah. And we're gonna connect this guy like this. All right, put my goggles back on. Ready? Oh. Okay, let's try it again. I don't understand what's happening. It's weird. I don't understand. What if take these guys and do something like this? I don't know if that will do anything, but we'll find out. Trying. Well, that's lame. did nothing. I don't understand. I'm gonna have to figure out this welder thing. All right, well, I'll come back to that, but at least I'll leave you with something. Let's try to make a figure on this real fast. This is back to my 10,000 volts, just AC. Going under the backside. Turn it off. What's it doing on the back over here? Nothing really on the back. It just wanted to get down in all that wet part. So let's do this. Let's move it more up here. All right, let's spray a little bit of water right in between. Smell like cedar? Going on that backside again. Turn the variac down. Who's talking?